Put your coffee down before you watch this video.
Did you see this banned CIA video? What else are they hiding from us?
Now press your fingers to your forehead and try to lift the pen.
I literally just lifted this bottle with my mind after opening my third eye. I'm scared this is gonna go viral, but I'm about to teach you the 30-second trick I used to activate my third eye and unlock psychic powers I didn't even know I had. I used to make fun of anyone who talked about chakras, energy, or the third eye. If someone had told me this a year ago, I would have laughed right in their face. Inside your brain, there's a gland scientists call the pineal gland. But what awakened people call the third eye, I'm pretty sure you've never heard about this in school or even on TV. You want to know why? Because this is the biggest secret the 1% elite has been hiding from us. They don't want people waking up because if we did, they'd lose every bit of power they have over us. That's why it's becoming more and more common to hear about scientists disappearing after trying to expose something they weren't supposed to. It's also why they put fluoride in the water and toxins in our food to keep your pineal gland weak and completely blocked, so your third eye can never open. You're living with just 10% of your mind's potential. And once your third eye opens, you have no idea what you're truly capable of. Telekinesis, manifestation, clairvoyance, anything you can imagine, you'll be able to do. Opening my third eye was the scariest and smartest choice I've ever made, because for the first time, I started seeing all the lies they've been hiding from us. I started dreaming every night again. I can sense when someone's about to call me before the phone even rings, and everything I manifest in my mind shows up in my life. They don't want you to find out, but it only takes 30 seconds to open your third eye. The guy who showed me this was a former CIA agent who learned this technique inside the agency, and he just released a video showing how anyone can open their third eye from home. If you want to be one of the few people in the world with their third eye open, comment test below and I'll send you the full video straight to your DMs.